how are you? And welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be DIY from 1 to 2 piece, from pajama to skirt and sleeveless. This is the one I am wearing right now. But first, please don't forget to subscribe and give me thumbs up if you like this video. Keep watching and enjoy. Let's go. Ito siya gagawin natin. Ito yung pantaas. This is for up and this is for down. But I decided this to keep it like skirt only. And this one is like sleeveless only. So I will cut this. Then we will start to make it. And this is how I cut it, guys. I want it like it's not fit down. I want it big, like uh, round. So it's up to you if what style you want it or you like it. So I cut 4 pieces of the pair of this one. Then this is for the shoulder, guys. I will show you the purpose of these 4 pieces of fabric, small fabric. Now guys, this one is already ready. We have a skirt, we have already a shirt here. This is, I will make it sleeveless, already done. Then we need 4 pieces of this one. I will show you the purpose of this one because I want it tied, like I will tie it in the shoulder. This is only easy, guys. You can do the style you want. For me, I want sleeveless and big, like it's not tight for me. I want it comfortable. So let's start, guys. So first thing we will make, guys, is the skirt. This is only easy because the hem only we will doing to make. We arrange the hem and done. I want to show you my face, guys, because that's not the important one now. We are going to do this. So now, guys, we have already the skirt. It's almost done. I don't like the fabric, guys, because it's slippery, sliding. So you need to keep your eyes on it while you are doing here, because I feel like I was going to cut my finger. So this is, so first thing we will make, guys, is the skirt. This is only easy because the hem only we will doing to make. We arrange the hem and done. I want to show you my face, guys, because that's not the important one now. We are going to do this. Ano? So now guys, we have already the skirt. It's almost done. The I don't like the fabric guys because it's slippery, sliding. So you need to keep your eyes on it when you are while you are doing here, because it's I feel like I was going to cut my finger. So this is so now we will start to do our sleeveless. First we will make the two side, so we will don't so we're not going to break the life in the two side. We restyle it first, then we will go to the neck and the shoulder, or the here in armpit here. So I will do it and I will come back to you. So almost the final guys, I already done. I Now I'm almost done guys, almost done. So the remaining now is this one for the shoulder. So I will show you. So this is it guys, this is the purpose, the four pieces I cut from here. Also I use it for the shoulder to tie it just like this. It's a simple style guys, but it's sexy like this. Easy to wear, comfortable. And that is the final resort guys. We have a skirt and we have a sleeveless. I don't want jumpsuit guys because I don't feel good for jumpsuit, so I keep it like that. One into two. It's very easy. You can do it guys. No need machine. You can do it with hand only. Using the hands. More easy. If like this kind of material or fabric guys, it's not wow. It's slippery. It's sliding. You know, it's sliding. If you need to like two round to to like two round to secure it, to secure very good. That's it. It's very cute guys, but I don't want jumpsuit, and the material also is not beautiful, but at least I did it. Beautiful result. You can do like short guys, you can make it short also, but for me I make it like skirt only, so easy to, if you go to the bathroom you can just take it up and finish. Yeah, and that is the sleeveless. Very easy also.